I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting ready. Make sure the Motorola has enough charge and you know the lock PIN or Google credentials. Wake the screen and unlock using 2 fingers to scroll the lock screen, then enter your code. This prevents accidental gestures. Once unlocked, you'll rely on 2-finger scrolling and double-tap activation because Talkback changes touch behavior. Move now to settings. This is not about guessing. It's about using the accessibility gestures so you can reliably navigate to the Talkback control. You now find and open accessibility. From settings, type accessibility into the search box if you prefer quick access, or scroll with 2 fingers until you hear accessibility. Double tap to open it. Once inside, explore installed services or screen readers. Move with 2 fingers and double tap to select Talkback. When you reach the Talkback entry, double tap to open its options. This is where the toggle lives. Carefully listen for the spoken prompts so you don't miss the confirmation dialog. You turn Talkback off by double-tapping the toggle and then double-tapping OK on the confirmation prompt. This stops the service immediately. Once disabled, test basic taps and single-finger scrolling to confirm normal touch behavior. If gestures still feel wrong, restart the phone and check again. If Talkback won't turn off, try the accessibility shortcut. Press and hold both volume keys, or, as a last resort, use ADB commands from a trusted computer to disable the service. Troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.